Welcome to this video. So let's click on my archive and see what it has. So it has all the tasks that we have uploaded previously. So now let's see my profile. So the first option you have there is edit your profile. So we will give our data in it. So we'll give bio later, so other datas and our handles, social media handles, and we will update it. So we can see that our profile has been updated, all the data. So this is the total completion of the course in percentage. So we have KPI, key performance index, and next we have GitHub commit history. We will connect with GitHub and it will be shown. So we can add our internships if we have done any. We have the option of hackathons. We can update it later. Let's add my previous works. So I have done something, so we'll update it. We'll paste the GitHub link and we'll click on add. So we can see that the project has been updated. Next we have the option of gallery. We can add our images if you want. So let's type something and let's add some image. So we can submit. So that's it about my profiles. See you in the next video.